Hello mga motorista and welcome to another episode of Motorista Adventures. For this video mga motorista, we have here the Ford Ranger Wildtrak 4x2 and ikukumpara natin to sa ating Toyota Hilux Conquest 4x2. So kung interested kayong malaman kung ano yung mga spec differences, features, and everything that you need to know kung nagbabala kayong bumili ng Hilux or Ranger 4x2, so kung yun yung kino-compare ninyo para sa inyo itong video na to, tara samahan niyo ako mga motorista. Simulan na natin. Natin dito sa harap ng ating Ford Ranger Wildtrak. As you can see mga motorista, you have that C-clamp LED headlights, meron tayong LED fog lights na din. The design itself ng Wildtrak is quite different talaga sa ating Toyota Hilux. No? Ito is bruskong tignan. Yung ating Hilux is a more sharp looking pickup truck. For this newer generation Wildtrak is malapad na yung ating grill, malalaki yung mga butas natin. Sa ilalim tignan nyo naman, kung wala siyang plate dun sa ilalim na part is kita mo talaga yung turbo intercooler natin. So that's because kailangan nila ng magandang airflow para lamigin yung ating turbo. Now at the bottom of the Ranger, what I really like for this Wildtrak model is meron siyang mga hooks dun sa ilalim. And yung mga hooks na to, these are steel. So they are quite robust mga motorista na kung i-recover mo to si Wildtrak, walang problema. Andyan na yung mga hooks readily available. I'm not so sure about Hilux. We'll check that out later. Dito naman tayo sa sides natin. Meron tayong mga plastic body cladding for this Wildtrak model. Dito din sa ating wheel arches, kita natin yung wishbone natin. It's made of steel, of course. Kita nyo din na yung disc brake natin dito. Yung gamit nilang tire is Goodyear Wrangler Territory. Ito yung rims natin sa ating Ranger Wildtrak. Mamaya tignan natin yung sa Hilux, so mas maganda pa ba dito sa ating Wildtrak na model. Dito naman meron tayong mudguard, standard yan, and you have your side step board. Meron din tayong design elements here na nakalagay turbo, and you have lighting on the sides, kung gabi that's LED, so maliwanag na maliwanag yan. Wildtrak also meron tayong smart entry feature, and also yung ating roof rack is functional. I'm not so sure about the Hilux, tignan natin mamaya. And then dito naman sa likuran na part, another advantage of the Wildtrak is disc brake siya dito. So maganda yung stopping power nito, and also mas makapit siya than a drum brake type. Okay? So for this next generation Wildtrak, kita nyo naman na yung ating shock absorber is andito na sa labas na part. And then I think that this aids in stability talaga. And lip spring suspension pa din tayo. And meron tayong step board dito sa side. So para mas easy pumasok dun sa bed. Meron din tayong sports bar dito. Although mas maliit siyang tignan than the previous model. And kung i-compare natin ito mamaya sa ating Hilux Conquest, mas maliit talaga siyang tignan. So meron tayong mga areas here na pwede mong paglagyan. These are bed extender. Pero ito, it is a pass-through na bed extender siya. Hindi siya yung parang solid na bed extender talaga. So meron din tayong fin-type antenna doon sa taas. And then here sa likuran naman natin, LED yung ating mismong brake lights. Yung turn signal lights lang natin is bulb type. And then meron tayong reverse light. So dito naman sa ilalim is wala tayong bulb. So yeah, it's just a reflector dito sa ilalim na part. Meron tayong 4 na sensors. Meron tayong reverse camera. And also you have this big Ford logo here. Ito yung high mount stoplight natin. And one thing that I really like sa Ranger natin, meron siyang tailgate assist and meron tayong mga 12-volt outlet here and household outlet. Okay mga motorista, so we have here the Toyota Hilux Conquest. This is the manual version pero 4x2 pa rin. One thing, the advantage of Toyota is that meron silang dalawang variants sa ating Hilux Conquest. Sa kanilang Conquest models ni Toyota now, you have lots of options. So meron kang manual transmission option for the 2.4 liter engine. Meron ka ding 2.4 na automatic variant, So dalawang papipilian mo. And then if you want the Conquest with a more powerful engine, there is also a 2.8 liter pero 4x4 na yung dalawang yon. So, meron ding manual and automatic. So when it comes to choices in the range, kung manual ba or automatic, again, advantage kay Toyota kasi si Wildtrak natin, isa lang yung variant na automatic na yon na 4x2. Pagdating na sa isang Wildtrak, it's 4x4 automatic na. So walang manual option for the Wildtrak variants. So that's one advantage of the Hilux. Now let's talk about the exterior features in comparison to the Ranger. Now definitely the looks is quite different to the Ranger. It's more sharp, it's more pointy siya, no? Yung kanyang design. So si Ranger, malaki yung headlight. Sa Hilux is very sharp looking, pointy looking headlight. Yung Ranger natin, it's quite big as well. Ito din, medyo may kalakihan din siyang tignan. Because of the fender flares. Everything on the front of this Hilux is all LED. Same with the Ranger. Pero one thing, the advantage of the Hilux dito sa kanyang headlight is meron siyang projector type na LED. Another thing na advantage din si Toyota is meron tayong front parking sensors. Okay? Unfortunately, si Ranger tinanggal nila yung front parking sensors nila sa harapan. No? Dito naman sa side, you have your, again, standard bulging fenders. But si Ranger, it's a more integrated type. Mas advantage yun, marang mas cohesive siya. Ito parang accessory siyang tignan. Kasi, again, it's on top of the fender itself. Curvy yung ating Hilux compared to the Ranger. Dito naman sa ating wheels and tires, ayan, kita mo na you have disc brakes here, ventilated pa din. I think that mas maganda tignan yung rims ng Hilux than the Ranger. And, so, meron din tayong mudguard here. Meron din tayong stepboard, just like the Wildtrak. And, dito sa ilalim, meron din tayong ilaw here, no? And then, meron din tayong 360 camera, which the Wildtrak does not get. So, another advantage yan sa Hilux natin in terms of features. Meron tayong, again, side mirrors na merong turn signal repeaters. Meron tayong smart entry. Push to start button pa din yung engine start natin. And, unfortunately, here, yan. So, meron tayong sports bar, pero hindi siya useful na sports bar. Unlike the Wildtrak. Okay, dito naman sa likuran na part, mas malaki yung ating sports bar dito sa likod ni Hilux, Conquest, and mas mataas yung ating bed extender, hindi siya pass-through. Another advantage din is meron siyang ilaw dun sa ating bed extender. Unfortunately, for the Hilux Conquest, hindi siya disc brake dito sa likod, which is a big advantage as well dun sa ating Ford Ranger Wildtrak. So, parehas lang sila lip spring suspension. Mga motorista, ito yung engine ng ating Ford Ranger Wildtrak. No? This is Ford's 2.0 liter single turbo unit. No? Hindi ito yung bi-turbo unit nila na nasa 4x4 Wildtrak natin. Makes about 170 PS of max power and 405 Nm of torque. This is paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission, not the 10-speed automatic like on the 4x4 Wildtrak. So, if you compare the shape, no, kung saan nakalagay yung engine ni Hilux in comparison to the Ranger, si Ranger parang mataas talaga dito na part, no? Parang ganun talaga yung pagka-forma ko doon. Pero itong Hilux natin, sakto lang. Relax siyang i-present sa inyo. Anyway, what's really nice about this Hilux Conquest is that meron tayong hood struts na kasama. Si Ranger, meron siyang available hood struts pero it's not built in a stock unit. You can buy it separately. Pero ito, as a stock unit, meron na siyang mga hood struts, which is really nice, no? One advantage yun sa Hilux. Dito naman sa ating engine bay, the Hilux has a bigger displacement engine. So this is a 2.4 liter direct injected turbo diesel engine. Same sila ng technology dun sa ating Ford Ranger. But when it comes to the torque, almost the same sila. This lacks around 5 Nm of torque than the Ranger. The Ford Ranger Wildtrak has a bigger power advantage. So in terms of the outright power, this gets 150 PS while the Ranger gets 170 PS of peak power. So those are the differences when it comes to the engine. Packed yung engine natin dito sa front niya. Then the Ranger, sobrang luwag nun because again, the Ranger has lots of engine options. So kailangan nilang habaan yung hood natin in comparison to the Hilux na again, you have 2.8 and 2.4 lang talaga. Any country, ganun lang talaga yung engine niya. Diba? So, si Ranger kailangan different kasi meron silang 6-cylinder version, meron silang 4-cylinder version, like the 2.0 bi-turbo Wildtrak na kinocompare natin dito. So, ayan, that's the thing. It's a more spacious engine bay. This is paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Same lang sila ng ating Ranger Wildtrak. So mga motorista, dito naman sa interior ng ating Ford Ranger Wildtrak, no? For this next generation model, the interior of the Ford Ranger has been rebuilt from the ground up. So kita nyo naman, it's more modern definitely than the Toyota Hilux's interior. You have very good materials dito sa ating dash. So meron tayong leather dito, you have this really nice stitching, meron tayong Wildtrak na naming dito, and also meron tayong lalagyan here sa mga phones, no? So meron din tayong mga lalagyan here for convenience. You have your glove compartment here, but unfortunately hindi siya damp. Meron tayong mga pop-out cup holders just like the Hilux, di ba? And what I really like is the attention to detail. For example, yung ating mga vents, they have really nice design, di lang siya plain tignan. And of course, everything is controlled through a screen that's quite big, no? Portrait style screen, 12-inch display. So for this year, Ford made sure na this is a bump up in tech, no, than the previous generation. So they really gave it almost everything dito sa loob. So wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. Kita nyo din, you have your controls for the AC. Yung ating hazard button is nandito siya, no, sa babaan na part. Meron din tayong digital controls as well. So meron din tong smartphone control just like the Hilux. But one thing that I really like sa Ranger is you can actually control you can actually start the vehicle using the app. Toyota, I don't think you can start the vehicle itself, but you can see a lot of information regarding the vehicle. Wireless charger, standard here. Meron siyang Type-C port dito sa ilalim. You have cup holders also. So aside from both on the side, meron din tayo dito. And one advancement sa ating Ranger is meron siyang electronic parking brake with auto hold function, which most manufacturers, no, for the pickup truck segment is still missing. I think everyone's going with electronic parking brake na moving forward. So maybe in the next generation of the Hilux, mag-i-improve na sila. But again, leading pa din si Ford Ranger dito on the electronic parking brake side. So meron tayong shifter dito. It looks like the previous model shifter. Meron tayong plus and minus buttons here. Meron tayong park, reverse, neutral, and drive. Meron tayong manual mode. So if you want manual mode, meron tayong mga toggles dito. Push mo lang siya forward and back to change the gear. So steering wheel din natin, makapal din yung steering wheel natin, no? Again, parehas-parehas lang sila ni Toyota Hilux when it comes to thickness of the rim. Adjustability, tilt and telescopic pa din siya. Meron din tayong engine start stop button here. And you have cruise control. Wala tayong advanced driver aids dito sa ating Ranger. And yung ating Hilux is meron yon. Tignan natin kung ano yung mga safety feature differences nilang dalawa mamaya. So another advancement din sa ating Ford Ranger Wildtrak, no, for this new generation is the availability of an 8-inch display dito sa harap natin. Now si Toyota, they have a small screen on the center, but it doesn't match the features that you get, no, once you gone to see this digital display. So there's a lot of things that you can see here, no, aside sa temperature and fuel gauge natin na permanent. Everything is color TFT screen, no. Everything lives in the screen itself. So again, that's a big plus for the Ranger Wildtrak. What I also really appreciate sa Rangers natin is meron siyang mga lock dito sa mga doors natin for their drivers. So pwede mo i-control yung lock and unlock. And kung passenger ka, you can also control your lock and unlock independently from the driver. So kung example, lalabas yung driver and you're the passenger, hindi mo na kailangan mag-reach dito para buksan yung pinto. You can easily lock the vehicle using your on the side of your door, diba? So another thing that's really nice. Meron tayong LED dome lights here. Meron tayong sunglass holder as expected for this price point, and then meron tayong mga vanity mirror on both. Pero walang mga ilaw dito sa ating Rangers. Comfortability sa seats natin, these are leather seats, which is really good. Again, you have mixed materials dito, mga motorista. Orange stitching siya, meron tayong Wildtrak na mga naming here. And gusto ko din na malapad yung ating armrest, diba? Yan, napakalapad. Meron tayong 12-volt accessory outlet dito din. So, meron tayong mga lalagyan here for some stuff, no? And then also here, your phone could stay here dito sa front part. For the airbag count, 6 airbags dito sa loob ni Ranger Wildtrak. And of course, for the speakers as well, you have 6 speakers pa rin. One thing I really appreciate from the Ranger, from our Ranger sa previous models, speakers sound good, and I think that is the same dito sa ating next generation Wildtrak. So meron tayong 10-way adjustable driver seat for the Ranger Wildtrak 4x2. So ito yung harapan nating Ford Ranger Wildtrak. So ngayon naman, let's move on to the Hilux. Tignan natin kung gaano siya ka-different sa interior. Let's go. So mga motorista, we are inside the Toyota Hilux Conquest, and this is, by the way, a manual transmission. But again, I'm just saying na okay lang manual transmission to because it is an option sa 4x2 models nila. That's advantage sa Toyota. If you want manual transmission and a 4x2 on the Conquest model, pwede kang kumuha sa ating Hilux Conquest. Okay, looking at the dashboard sa ating Hilux and compared it to the Ranger Wildtrak is definitely, it's a more busy design element dito sa kanyang dashboard. So sa Ranger Wildtrak, straight lang yon, simple design. Ito, meron tayong mga different curves here, and then pati yung ating mga air vents is a more tapered siya na design, and meron pa din tayong mga split type na compartments here, and yeah, that's what I like also is meron siyang dampening and lockable. Sa Wildtrak natin, hindi siya lockable and hindi siya damp. Meron din tayong air vents here, but definitely when it comes to material quality, advantage yun sa ating Ranger Wildtrak, no? Yun leather, ito it's just plastic material. You have gloss black finish dito sa center natin, and definitely there's a lot more buttons dito sa ating Toyota Hilux because it doesn't have a big display dito sa center natin. We get an 8-inch display. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capable na din siya, but it's a more simpler, no, na infotainment system. That's what's on the Ranger. So hindi siya wireless CarPlay, hindi siya wireless Android Auto, it's just wired CarPlay and Android Auto, but still meron kang smartphone connectivity. Meron din tayong digital climate control dito, dual zone pa rin, just like the Ranger. And also you have your 12-volt accessory outlets at the bottom. Wala tayong Type-C charger like the Ranger Wildtrak. Ano lang tayo, USB Type-A lang siya. And another thing is that si Hilux din is you get automatic dimming din sa ating rearview mirror. Same lang yan sa ating Ranger Wildtrak. Yung mga vanity mirror natin, unfortunately, advantage yun sa Wildtrak kasi meron yung vanity mirror. Ito walang vanity mirror. And dito naman sa passenger side, meron tayong vanity mirror. Okay? So, dito naman sa steering wheel, parehas lang sila, no? I think they're even when it comes to the design sa steering wheel. Thick rim, leather, it's stitched. And also, meron siyang cruise control just like the Ranger. But what's nice about the Hilux is that it gets advanced safety features. Number one dyan, you get adaptive cruise control. Although hindi siya stop and go function, but that's still adaptive cruise than a standard cruise control. Another advantage yan. Meron din tayong pre-collision mitigation system or pre-collision system dito sa Hilux. Cannot be found on the Ranger as well. And then, last but not the least, when it comes to the airbag count, the Ranger wins it because 6 airbags yun. Ito, 3 airbags lang. Meron tayong knee, driver, passenger. That's it. If you want 6 airbags Hilux, you go for the 4x4 2.8 model. Meron pa din tayong mga pop-out cup holders like the Ranger, but I think this is a more secure pop-out cup holder than the Ranger. Yung pagano ni Wildtrak, no, medyo maliit lang yun. Maliit siyang tignan, no. But quality-wise, no, both of them gets really nice quality inside, no, especially the plastics. But again, in terms of outright technology talaga, when it comes to the screen, better definition si Ranger Wildtrak. And then dito din sa screen natin, if you want analog display, if you don't care about the 7-inch display, okay lang talaga si Hilux. You still get a color TFT screen for information. Meron din digital speedometer. But again, it's lagging behind when it comes to the technology sa ating mga dash itself. Maybe in the next generation of this Hilux, it will be available na. For the adjustability naman sa steering wheel, it is tilt and also telescope. Pero I do appreciate the Wildtrak, no, kasi medyo mas malaki yung adjustment nun sa telescope function niya. Cabin space is, I think, at par lang. Medyo masikip lang siyang feeling dito because of the dash is closer to you in the Hilux than on the Ranger itself. So 6-speed manual transmission or 6-speed automatic transmission, which is nice, no. So when it comes to the drive modes as well, meron kang power mode, meron kang eco mode dito sa ating Hilux. Sa ating Ford Ranger Wildtrak, meron kang more drive modes to choose from than this one. Sa cloth seats lang siya, no? It's not the special seat that you see in the Ranger na leather. So, it's up to you if these seats are a deal breaker, but I must admit, very comfortable naman din yung seat ni Hilux, no? It's not as bad as you'd think, no? On cloth seats. That's also an advantage to the Ranger because it's leather already. And then, yung armrest natin is still leather. It's a smaller armrest than the Ranger. Wala tayong outlet here, unlike the Ranger na meron siyang a 12-volt outlet. You have your dome lights here, hindi siya LED, the Ranger is LED. And then, meron tayong sunglass holder din. Si Hilux din, one good thing about this Hilux is that yung windows natin is automatic up and down for all the windows. Si Wildtrak has automatic up and down lang for the driver itself. That's an advantage sa ating Hilux. So ngayon naman, nandito tayo sa likod ng ating Ford Ranger Wildtrak, and the space dito is quite good. And for this Wildtrak 4x2, no, they added rear air vents. So yung rear air vents lang, unfortunately, is nasa Wildtrak models lang. Once you go down the lineup like the Sport, wala tayong mga air vents. But it's still a big difference from Toyota kasi for the Hilux Conquest, wala tayong rear air vents. And alam niyo naman dito sa Pilipinas, dito sa atin, na it gets really hot. So having rear air vents is a really good advantage, no, if you're trying to compare both the vehicles. Ito pa tayong 400 watt outlet, no. This is new for the Ranger Wildtrak. Before, wala tayong outlet dito sa likuran. Meron tayong Type-C port, which is very modern na outlet, and then also Type-A kung meron ka pang old ng mga USBs. Meron tayong mga pockets dito. You have your leather armrest also here. Plastic na dito yung mga natin, upper part ng mga door panels natin. Also, meron tayong armrest. Meron tayong armrest with cup holders, which is expected also for this range. And then meron din tayong Isofix anchor points for the seats. So this is the second row sa ating Ranger Wildtrak. Now let's move on to the Hilux. Tignan natin kung gaano siya ka-different. Let's go. Okay mga motorista, so we're at the Toyota Hilux dito sa loob, and kitang-kita nyo naman, space is definitely at par with both vehicles. Halos parehas lang talaga sila when it comes to space here. Nothing different. I do like sa Ranger na wala dito is a rear air vents. Hilux doesn't still have rear air vents, maybe in the future, but as of now, wala tayong rear air vents here. Another thing that is an advantage to Hilux is gaano kaliit lang yung hump dito sa center. Si Ranger, massive yung hump nun. Medyo may kalakihan yun. Pero ito, sakto lang. Hindi siya ganun kalaki. Meron pa din tayong armrest with cup holders. Meron tayong 4 kg hooks which cannot be found dun sa ating Ranger Wildtrak. So, meron din tayong mga pockets here as standard. Wala tayong mga outlets here. Wala tayong USB ports dito sa likod. An advantage yan sa ating Wildtrak. When it comes to creature comforts, no, walang masyadong makikita mo dito sa ating Toyota Hilux. So another thing that they would need to improve in the next generation Toyota Hilux mga motorista. But again, when it comes to comfortability, still very comfortable dito sa likuran. Isofix anchor points pa din yung mga upuan dito sa likod. Though cloth seat siya, pero yung mga armrest natin is leather, no? So that's just what the Conquest offers, no, than the lower model G. So, si Toyota Hilux Conquest na nasa likod ko is priced at 1,562,000. Si Ford Ranger Wildtrak 4x2 naman is priced at 1,604,000. So, yung difference in price nila is 42,000 pesos. And si Toyota Hilux, meron siyang manual version of the same engine and spec. Meron kang option of manual transmission at 1,504,000 pesos. That makes the Toyota Hilux now more cheaper than the Wildtrak. So, anong tingin nyo sa kanilang dalawa mga motorista? Definitely, maraming upgrades si Ford Ranger in terms of the technology for their next generation model. Ito namang Hilux is lagging na behind when it comes to technology. Wala siyang rear air vents, wala siyang Type-C ports, no, unlike the Ford Wildtrak. One thing na meron sa ating Hilux naman na Conquest na wala sa Ford Ranger is the advanced driver aids like adaptive cruise, meron siyang lane departure alert, and also meron din siyang pre-collision system na wala sa ating Ranger. So anong tingin nyo sa kanilang dalawang mga motorista, no? Is it worth getting the Hilux over the Ford Ranger Wildtrak? Let me know down sa ating comments. Motorista, I hope you like this video. Maraming salamat sa pagtangkilik sa ating video. Ilalagay ko yung ating number ng agent natin dito sa Toyota Cagayan de Oro in case na interested kayo sa ating Toyota Hilux Conquest. And yeah, maraming salamat. And once again, this is Adrian. You are watching Motorista Adventures. And I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.